Today, I'm going to show you how to enable your dark things here in YouTube. We're going to do it here in the computer. We're also going to do it in the phone as well. And again, it's a pretty simple process. By the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tools channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below. But here, you can see the dark settings right here, the dark thing. This is kind of how it looks. And if I come down, you can kind of get an idea how this look. Again, this is going to be totally a preference for some people, but if you come up here to the top right, you could go a little bit down here and it's going to say appearance. Click in there, and we're going to do the light one here so you could get an idea. So this is kind of how it looks. Again, it's the same concept. Again, it's going to be a total preference. Some people like to see it this way. Some people like the dark thing. So I'm going to use the dark one because I kind of like it. By the way, there is one that is called use device thing. And I think that has to do with your Mac or whatever settings you have, but I'm really not completely sure on that. Again, I'm going to go here and just use the dark one because I like this one. Now we're going to switch here to my phone and we're going to do it right here. Okay, so here what we're going to do is that we're going to go to the top, click on the icon right here, and we're going to go down to settings. Once we hit settings right here, we're going to click general, and then we're going to come down just a little bit. It says appearance, and if you click there, obviously you're going to have the light thing. And once again, you can see this right here. This is kind of like the light. We're going to go to my channel and it should give you an idea, right? You can see the idea right there. I'm going to go back very quickly. Again, click on your icon, settings, go to general, go a little bit down here, appearance, and we're going to use the dark thing. And again, I'm going to go to my channel and you can see that right there. So very simple process. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.